Hey plant lovers, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to add a touch of tropical beauty to your space, the Monstera Deliciosa is the perfect choice. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned plant parent, today's video will give you all the tips you need to keep your Monstera healthy, vibrant, and growing strong indoors. From light to watering, I've got you covered with easy-to-follow guidelines that'll help your Monstera thrive. So, let's dive in and start growing your dream plant. Monstera Deliciosa care tips. One, ideal lighting conditions for optimal growth. To ensure your Monstera Deliciosa thrives, providing the right lighting is crucial. This tropical beauty loves bright, indirect light, mimicking its native environment under the canopy of trees. Direct sunlight can be a bit too harsh and may scorch the leaves, causing them to develop brown spots or lose their vibrant green color. The best place for your Monstera is near a window, where it gets plenty of filtered sunlight. Think of a location where the light is bright, but not overwhelming. 2. Proper watering techniques to avoid root rot. Watering your Monstera Deliciosa properly is key to keeping it healthy and avoiding root rot. This tropical plant loves a good drink, but it doesn't like to sit in waterlogged soil. To strike the perfect balance, make sure to water your Monstera only when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil are dry to the touch. Overwatering is one of the most common causes of root rot, so it's important to let the soil dry out a bit between waterings. 3. Best soil mix for healthy roots. The right soil mix is essential for keeping your Monstera Deliciosa's roots healthy and thriving. Monstera plants prefer a well-draining, slightly aerated mix that allows water to flow through while still retaining enough moisture for the roots to absorb. This mix will keep the soil light, well-draining, and breathable, allowing the roots to grow strong and healthy. Avoid using heavy, dense soils like garden soil or potting mixes that don't drain well, as these can lead to waterlogged conditions and root rot. For how to propagate Monstera Deliciosa easily. Start by selecting a healthy stem with at least one leaf and note the small bump on the stem where leaves and roots grow from. The node is key, it's where the roots will develop, so make sure to cut just below it. Using a sharp, clean pair of scissors or pruning shears, make a clean cut about 1 to 2 inches below the node. You can also trim any excess leaves or stems that you don't want to propagate. There are two popular methods to propagate your Monstera: water propagation and soil propagation. 5. Fertilizing tips for bigger leaves. To get those large, iconic leaves on your Monstera Deliciosa, proper fertilizing is key. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer with a good amount of nitrogen, like a 20-20-20 formula, to encourage lush leaf growth. Fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer, and reduce feeding in fall and winter when the plant slows down. 6. Common problems and how to fix them. Yellowing leaves cause overwatering or lack of sunlight. Solution: make sure the soil is not too wet and let the top layer of soil dry before watering again. Place the plant in an area with bright but indirect light. Leaves too small cause lack of light or nutrition. Solution: move the plant to a place that gets bright light and regularly apply fertilizer containing nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Why grow a Monstera Deliciosa? 1. Adds a tropical touch to your indoor space. Bringing the lush, vibrant energy of the tropics into your home has never been easier. A Monstera Deliciosa, also known as the Swiss cheese plant, effortlessly adds a tropical touch to any indoor space. Its large, glossy, and uniquely split leaves evoke the feel of a lush rainforest, transforming your living room, office, or bedroom into a green sanctuary. 2. easy to care for with minimal maintenance. The Monstera Deliciosa is the perfect plant for those who want to enjoy the beauty of nature without the hassle of high-maintenance care. This hardy plant thrives in a variety of indoor conditions and requires minimal attention. With its tolerance to low light and occasional neglect when it comes to watering, it's ideal for busy individuals or beginners. 3. Improves air quality and enhances home aesthetics. The Monstera Deliciosa is not just a beautiful addition to your home, but it also works wonders for your indoor environment. As a natural air purifier, it helps filter toxins and increase oxygen levels, creating a cleaner and fresher atmosphere. Beyond its health benefits, its striking foliage adds a unique, lush aesthetic that elevates the decor of any room. Whether placed in a living room, office, or bedroom, this plant effortlessly blends style with function, improving both your home's air quality and its visual appeal. Watch the full video to learn everything about Monstera Deliciosa care. If you're eager to keep your Monstera Deliciosa thriving, this video has all the tips and tricks you need. From watering schedules to ideal lighting, we've got you covered. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more plant care tips and indoor gardening ideas. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Keep your plants healthy and your space vibrant with every new video.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.